One of the coolest things about QuickBooks Online, in my opinion, is the bank feeds feature. It helps optimize your bookkeeping by connecting your bank account to QuickBooks Online and matching those bank transactions to those that are inputted in QuickBooks. This helps you categorize transactions to close out your books and actually get a better understanding of the financials. So let me show you how that would look like for your business. Once you log into QuickBooks Online, come up to this top left-hand side and click on this icon, and then go down to transactions. We want to be in this bank transactions tab. So click on that, and at the top, you'll see a couple of your already connected accounts, such as your bank or credit card accounts. If you don't have any connected accounts, all you have to do is come here to link account and enter in all the information from your bank. It'll walk you through that process. Once you do that, as you continue to have transactions in your bank accounts and credit card accounts, it'll start to bring them into QuickBooks Online, as you can see here. And some of them already have a match, already have a category, as you can see right here. Some of them don't. So let's take a look at one that doesn't. So if we press on this one from A rental, assign a category, we can see that the vendor is A1 rental, and it picks that up from this bank detail right here. And as we can see, it's a backhoe rental. So as for the category, safe to say that it is an equipment rental. And the cool thing is you could actually add certain customers or projects that you're working on. So for example, if we're working on Amy at her bird sanctuary, we can press on that. And by marking it billable, we can actually charge Amy for the cost of that backhoe rental, because if it's part of her project, that would be one of the expenses that she would have to pay for that rental. And then once you have all the information, you can confirm it yourself, and it'll come up to this categorized section. There it is, a rental. And for example, if we take a look at another one, the cool thing is, by the way, once it recognizes that a rental was an equipment rental, it automatically suggests that equipment rental. I don't know if you saw previously, but these didn't have that equipment rental up here. They had assigned a category, but QuickBooks is kind of smart, so it recognizes that same description and suggests a match for that. So, but let's say we go down here, we find a match for Hicks Hardware. We can actually automatically match it, but if we want to confirm that it's the same transaction, we can click on this blue check 75 and see, yes, this is the same amount on that same date, the 4th of September, which is the same day that this transaction came through. So just press match on that, and it'll automatically put that into categorized. There it is, Hicks Hardware. So I hope this helps you with your bookkeeping, saves you a little bit more time, and thank you for watching.